Hey, today is July 8th, 2022. We had a long weekend in the US, so not too much going on in the e commerce world, but there are a few interesting news I wanted to cover. First of all, Amazon announced their Prime Day for 2022, which is on July 12 and 13, and it's always a big event for online sellers as well as for online buyers. So I recommend everybody to just check it out, how to take the most out of this event. And Amazon is giving some tips how to create those promotions and what are the promotions that may be the most successful. So that's one news, and the other one I wanted to cover is the USPS increasing prices. It goes many of those of their services go up a little bit. So definitely, if you're using USPS for shipments, then you should check it out and incorporate those new costs into your calculations. This is really all the news I wanted to cover, but there is one interesting thing around Amazon. Recently, I covered few stories about Amazon, including them expanding their warehouses, and Amazon is testing drone delivery in California. And I found it funny that there are some farmers who are not really happy about Amazon drones flying over their properties. So they already announced that they will be shutting down the drones. So it's an interesting story here in the Washington Post about this. If you want to look into this, but yeah, I found it funny, but I'm really looking forward to seeing these new techniques of delivering products to customers from Amazon. So that will be it for this weekend. Thank you so much.